Earlier this year, Mark decided to build a virtual assistant for our home. He created Jarvis, a simple AI to control different things around the house. At first, it was pretty basic. Then, it got a little bit more complex.
Mark, it's freezing in here. Jarvis, can you turn the temperature up?
Oh, Jarvis only listens to me. I'll fix that.
The first voice he tried out was a little aggressive.
Go to the gym. Get to the car.
Is that?
It's Arnold.
But eventually that changed.
How about some toast? Let me fix that for you.
Wow. I'm starting to actually like having Jarvis around.
Go to bed. Do it now.
Mark, one thing at a time.
Sorry.
Stop her. She's getting away.